Now the Oracle is set up. We recommend that you familiarize yourself with the various buttons and screen displays. The grind size dial, grind LCD, main LCD, 1 cup and 2 cup buttons, hot water button, the Americano dial, steam LCD, and the steam lever. You can adjust a range of programmable functions on your machine. To enter program mode, press the menu button. Rotate the select dial to your desired function. Program mode allows you to program shot volume, shot temperature, clean cycle, set clock, auto start, auto off, tamp set, pre-infusion, Americano adjust. To exit program mode, press the menu button.